Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Duke Caboom from Toy Story 4. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with one of his eyes, and we're going to draw this one first. And this one's going to have a little bit of expression here. So we're going to draw in the eyebrow, just kind of give it like a mean brow. And then come down on the ends. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the eyebrow. So we just extend it up. Let's draw like almost like a bar. And then we just close this off nice and sharp. And then now we can draw in the eyeball underneath. So this is gonna be right underneath the eyebrow. Almost a full circle. And then for the inside, let's just skip that for now and let's go ahead and draw in the other eye first. So we're gonna come across here. Just come across, draw another circle. And this one, the eyebrow is going to be going up. So start right around here, just slant up, and then come back down. Okay, so same thing here. Let's just give it like a bar. The way across, and then just close it off nice and sharp. Alright, so now we can finish up the eyeball, and this one's gonna be easy. We're just gonna draw another circle inside. So same thing here. And we probably won't be able to see the top of it. And then from here, I'm gonna add one more circle on the inside, and this is gonna be my highlight. And I'll just shade around it. Alright, so those are his funny looking eyes, and let's move down to his nose. So right in the middle here, you can just come down, make two little marks. Just kind of round it off, and that's going to be his nose. And then let's just keep going down. We're going to give him a big smile. So just come right down here, just one line across. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in big bowl shape. And let's just add in one line for his teeth. Alright, so now let's fill in the rest of his face. So we're going to come down on the side here. Just draw like a little line coming all the way down. Right around here to the bottom of his lip. And then from here, we're going to turn it in to finish up his chin. So just come in and then straight across. Alright, and then for the top of the face, we're just going to keep going up. And this is gonna be the part of the helmet. And then let's just go ahead and finish up his hair. So right in the middle here, I'm just gonna curve down. And then on the side here. And then for his mustache, right beneath the nose, I'm just gonna draw in two lines like this first. And then from the bottom, just kind of bracket around the mouth area. So go out and go down. And then come back up here to finish up the mustache. So just come out, come down, and then just slant it and close everything off. Okay, come down and then close. And then one last detail on his face, his little sideburn right here. So just start on the side. Let's draw a very simple little angle. Alright, so now let's go ahead and finish up the helmet. So we're going to come across here. We'll just extend this line. And then from here, we're going to come all the way down, right around here. So slight curve, come down and just wrap it around. So this is around his ear. And then for the top, we're just going to draw one big curve all the way around. So one big semicircle. And then right across here, this is going to be the glass portion. So we're just going to draw one line right through the face. And then lastly, for the details, just one big stripe up here. And that's it for his head. Alright, so it's a little bit complicated, but very cool looking. Alright, so going down to his body, here's his neck. Just draw one little section here. And then we're going to draw in a little V shape here. This is going to be his collar. And then let's draw the shoulder. Come back up here, just extend it out. And then we're going to come in, just kind of pinch it in all the way down to his waist. Close it off. And then let's just add one section here for his belt. And for the buckle, just a little circle inside. Okay, and his shirt is really easy. We just draw one line down. And then for the little collar here, just come down and come back into the middle. Come down and just go in. Alright, so let's just go ahead and finish up this bottom portion first, and then we'll work on the arms. So just come in here. This is going to be his hip. We'll just slant in and then close everything off. Okay, so now we can work on his arm. So his arm's really easy. So here's his armpit. Shoulder. Just kind of curve it, come down. From the armpit, come down and just close it off first. And then for his elbow, he's got a little ball joint. So we're going to draw in a little bracket. And then close that off. And then on the inside here, we'll draw a little rectangle. Alright, and then for his lower arm, we're just going to extend it. So this is basically a square right around here. And then for his hand, it's really simple. Let's draw a little hook here for his thumb. And then here's the back of the hand. And then we're going to continue this. Just curve it. And then curve it back up. And just kind of connect to that. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Here's the shoulder. Curve and just come down. Here's the armpit. Come down, close it off. And then again for the elbow, little bracket, close, little rectangle inside, and then a square right here. For his hand, little hook for his thumb. Here's the back of the hand, and then same thing, we'll just curve it, come back up, and just connect that. Alright, and the little detail is got a red stripe here, so I'm just going to follow this line. So this one's easy. Alright, and then his leg is really easy to draw. So we're going to come back up here, curve and come down. Right around here, just come straight down and close it off. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So come back up here, curve, again, straight down, close it off. And then for his lower leg, this is pretty much straight down, and then on this side we'll flare out just a little bit. And then we'll close that off. Same thing here, straight down, and this one's gonna flare out. Close it off. And then his foot, just flare out two lines like this and we'll close it off at the bottom. So not much detail here. Alright, and then for the stripe here, same thing, just follow this curve. And then we're gonna keep going down, stop right around here and then turn it in. So there's one continuous stripe. Same thing here, down, just follow it through and then go back in. And that's pretty much it for the figure. And for the little cape on the back, so it's really easy. We'll just start right around here, just flare out, and then we're gonna draw one big curve connecting it. So it's gonna go behind everything, so behind the arms and the back. And that is it for this Duke Caboom from Toy Story 4. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.